بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter number 2. As all of you know that we have started this chapter in the last week, and the name of the chapter is Components of Food. This is present at your book, page number 14. Open your books at page number 14. Chapter number 2, Components of Food. We have discussed its few parts, and now today we are going to discuss another one. We have discussed carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins, and now we are going to discuss why the minerals are necessary, what they are performing function in our body, and why minerals are different from vitamins. Vitamins and minerals, they need in our body in a very little or small quantity, but their function is too much vital. They are playing a vital role in our body. They are saving us from different diseases. They are going to help to perform the different functions of different systems in our body. And if there is a deficiency of vitamin and minerals, one can cause different diseases. Means the deficiency of mineral can cause different diseases in animals. So, why minerals are different from vitamins? Let's read from your book. Minerals are elements, whereas vitamins are complex compounds. What is the difference between element and compound? Element have the same number of atoms, but compound are made up with the help of two or more than two elements. When two or more than two elements combine chemically, they make compound. So, compound is a complex form, while element is a simplest form as compared to compound. So, this is the difference, that vitamins are compounds while minerals are elements. Different elements are present in our body, means different minerals are present in our body because our body needs these elements. These elements, some minerals are very important for normal and healthy functioning of our body. They are very essential for the growth and development of bones, teeth, and red blood cell. The short form of red blood cell is RBCs. White blood cells, WBCs. Okay? So, they are needed. These minerals are necessary because they are very helpful for the growth of bones and for the strongness of teeth and also for the red blood cells. They also help in proper functioning of nervous system and circulatory system. In nervous system and circulatory system, they are performing a vital role. Some minerals that are important for our body are calcium, iron, phosphorus, iodine, sodium, fluorine. These are different minerals which are necessary for our body. Lack of some minerals in the diet result in deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are the diseases which are caused by the deficiency of minerals and vitamins. So, let's see the chart which is present at book page number 16. Here, some minerals are given. 4 minerals are given in detail, and the sources in which products in which things they are present. We can find these minerals, we can get these minerals from these sources. And what is the importance of minerals, and if deficiency occur, which diseases are caused? And the next column is for symptom of diseases. So let's read about the iron. Four minerals are written: iron, calcium, phosphorus, and iodine. So let's see the sources of the iron: liver, meat, eggs, green vegetable, especially spinach, apple, wheat, grains, and turnip. These are the sources by which we can get the rich iron quantity. What is the importance of the iron? Formation of hemoglobin, which is a carrier of oxygen. Hemoglobin means red blood cells. So this is the importance. They are making the part of the blood. And if the deficiency of iron occur in the body, the disease anemia can cause anemia. And in anemia, the person becomes pale, means the deficiency of blood. And number of RBCs reduced and weakness. These are the symptoms. How we can find that the person is anemic? The person will feel the weakness. Its color will become pale, and the number of RBCs in its blood will reduce. Next one is calcium. Calcium we can find from the milk and milk products. Milk products, green leafy vegetables have also a rich quantity of calcium. Formation, what is the importance? Formation of strong bones and teeth. Calcium makes the bone stronger. And the deficiency disease is rickets. If the ricket can occur if there is a deficiency of calcium. And what are the signs of ricket? The bleeding gums and swollen tongue and weak bones, because they are going to help the bones stronger. So the bones will become weaker, and bleeding from the gums and swollen tongue, because they are also going to stronger the teeth. Next one is phosphorus. Phosphorus, we can get phosphorus from meat, fish, eggs, and whole grains. All the grains are having phosphorus. And what is the importance of phosphorus? For development of strong bones and teeth, for making energy-rich compounds in the cells of our body, because energy is very necessary. So they are making the energy-rich compounds in our body. And the disease is rickets. Teeth and bones become weak. This is the symptom. And next one is iodine. Iodine means we can get it from the iodized salt. These are available in the market. And seafood. All the seafood having a rich quantity of iodine. Iodine controls the function of the thyroid glands. And if the deficiency of iodine occur in the body, the person will have goiter. It is a disease which is due to thyroid. Thyroid gland swells up. Mental disability in the children. It can cause the mental disability in the children. The requirement of the mineral is different in different age groups. Children need more calcium and phosphorus for the growth of their bones, as they are going in the growing age. They need more minerals because their bones are needed to be stronger and more stronger. It is good for them to take more milk and green leafy vegetables. Deficiency of iron cause anemia, as iron is important constituent of hemoglobin and also a carrier of oxygen. It carry because red blood cell have ability, they are modified in a way that they can easily carry the oxygen to all parts of the all cells of the body. Next topic is water. Water is very necessary for our body. The 70% on earth, water is present in 75%, and in the human body water is present 70%. The 70% of human body weight is water. Even vegetables and fruits are rich in water. Water is one important component of food that is needed in large quantity. It is very necessary that we should drink water daily, at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. On an average, 6 to 8 glasses of water must be consumed each day. What does water do to our body? We can take more water as well, but at least 6 to 8 glasses are very necessary for all the functioning of the body. And if we are getting less water, we are in danger. What the deficiency of water can cause a lot of problems, even the death. Okay, it helps first, it helps transporting food material, gases and waste material and chemicals. The food which we eat, most of the food which we are eating, these are in solid form. When we chew the food, it goes into our digestive system, it becomes semi-liquid. And if the quantity of the water is not sufficient in the body, definitely this food cannot be taken to the cells of the body. So for all these transportation, water is essential for the body. Next is, it is a medium in which a number of chemical reaction takes place in the body. Water is very necessary for all the chemical reaction which are taking place in our body. Water is very essential for these chemical reactions. Next is, it helps in removal waste from the body. The quantity of water is necessary for the removal of waste products from our body. It assists in keeping our body temperature constant. It keeps the body temperature constant. Water keeps the body temperature constant. So, it is very necessary for the constant body temperature. The proper quantity of water. If the right amount of water is not consumed, a person can get dehydrated. What is dehydration? The deficiency of water. The deficiency of the level of the water in the body. It can cause dehydration, and due to dehydration, people can die. So, how important the water is for our body? If water in our body is deficient, blood moves very slowly, because to move the blood, it needs more water, and if there is deficiency of water, the blood will move very slowly. It will cause severe pain and cramps in the body. So the quantity of water is very necessary. So from today, you will take at least how many glass of water? At least 6 to 8 glass of water. It will save your body. It will save you from different diseases. It will save you from the danger. So from now to onward, if you are not getting the proper quantity of water, start from today. Next is roughage. Roughage is a dietary fiber present in the food. Roughage is a dietary fiber present in the food. Roughage is not necessary for the it do not take part in digestion, but the waste material which are present in our body after digestion, these roughage expel these waste material from our body. Means it helps for the removal of the waste products, because they itself cannot be digested, because roughage mostly is made up of cellulose. Okay, the cellulose is the part which make the cell wall of the plants. All the green fruits, green vegetable and fruits we eat, they have roughage. So this roughage is not digested in our body, but it helps in the removal of the waste material. Roughage is dietary fiber present in our body. Excretion is important as the intake of the food. Waste food material are flushed out of the body as they are toxic and harmful. If these waste material will remain in the body, they become toxic. Toxic means poison. They become poisonous and they can cause a lot danger to the body. So these are necessary to expel out. And which thing is helping to expel out? That is the roughage, which help to expel these waste material from the body. Intake of roughage is very essential because it facilitates the regular movement of the bowel and prevent constipation. Constipation is a disease in which the removal of waste product become difficult. It does not provide any nutrient, yet it is very important for our body. As I've told you that it is not going to provide any nutrient to our body, but it is playing a vital role to expel the waste material from the body. Observe fresh juice being made from the orange or other fruits. You will notice that the fiber of fruits after excretion, after extraction of the juice are thrown away. This is roughage fiber and these are necessary for our body. Let's see the essential components of food. This is a table. This will be given to you. This is given to you as a homework. You will draw this table as it is. Essential components of food. It is present at page number 18 and it is also today's homework. It is added in your today's homework. Essential components of food. Energy giving components. These are carbohydrates and fats. Bodybuilding component. It is protein. Protective components. These are vitamins and minerals. And water and roughage. These are fibrous food. So carbohydrates, they are present in cereals and sugar. Fat is present in oil, ghee, buttermilk. And proteins, these are present in egg, pulses, beans, fish and milk. And vitamins, these are present in fruits and vegetables. And minerals, these are present in iodized salt and leafy vegetables. So this table you will draw in your copy as a homework, and let's see the other question which you will do as a homework. Open your book at page number 26. Assessment 2. This is these 4 questions you will do as a homework. List 4 food which are rich in fat. As we have discussed the carbohydrates and fats, and which foods carry such type of things, they will provide the rich fats. And name any 2 fruits in which vitamin C is found. You will see the table of vitamins. What is the cause of rickets and goiter? You will see the table of minerals. And why are carbohydrates needed in the diet? You will see the topic carbohydrate and you will find the answer. So you will do a very neat and clean homework Take care and Allah Hafiz till the next class.